Hey guys, Billy Mac here. I know it's been a while since I've been on the YouTubes, and for that I'm sorry. But it's hard, I guess, in some ways to try to be creative when you have members of your family that were sick and in the hospital. I've talked about this before on the channel about my illness and how my nephew shares the illness with me, and it's hard to be creative because on one hand, you know what it was like when you're scared out of your mind in the hospital with an illness that nobody knows much about. It's probably just as bad to be in the hospital as a little kid, not understanding what a bone marrow transplant is or what the case may be. My sister is a very private person, and her and her husband are very private. So they haven't really wanted me to talk too much about it, and that's why I've been being very vague about some of the information that I'm giving. But it's hard. It was really hard for a while. Now it's been 5 months now, 6 months now. It's been a while. This procedure's already been done. He's home. He was doing a isolation for a while, and he finally got a chance to go back to school. So he's back. He's doing above and beyond better than any child his age, let's put it that way. I know a lot of you were concerned because you saw me doing drink reviews on TikTok and or on my other YouTube channel and thought maybe I was going down a rabbit hole. But some of you will forget that I'm a manager at a liquor store during the day, and I get free samples on a lot of things, and in order for me to sell it in my store, I have to try it. So why not try it on camera? It's been my thought. No. Anyways, so as I've said before, I don't have any kids. My wife had 3 kids when I met her. They're all grown up. They're having kids, and I like to jokingly say I bought a certified pre-owned family. Now, that being said, my grandson knows that his papa, me, does YouTube videos. And that's something he's been wanting to do forever. So, I have a new co-host on the channel, which I'm really excited to introduce to you guys today. So, this is Billy Mac's Adventure, +1. So today Jackson wants to go magnet fishing, and I haven't done this in a while, so we got the old magnet fired up in the car. I might have to go get gloves. I can't find my gloves anymore. Got the magnet fired up in the car. The kid's waiting for me. Let's do some magnet fishing.